In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom forms in GoHighLevel with Price. We'll walk through building a clean custom form from scratch in GoHighLevel, and I'll point out exactly where to include a price field so your data stays organized and easy to report on. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and opening your main dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, choose Sites. Inside the Sites area, select Forms. This is the dedicated space for creating and managing your form assets, separate from surveys or funnel steps, which helps keep everything structured as your account grows. Next, click Create Form. You'll see two starting points: Start from Scratch and from Templates. Templates can speed things up if you already have a layout you like, but to fully control the structure and fields, choose Start from Scratch for now. Then click Create to open the drag and drop builder. Inside the builder, begin with Quick Add. This panel helps you drop in the essentials quickly. Think contact details and other common inputs, so you establish the core of your form without hunting around. Once the basics are in, open Add Object Fields. Object fields are those that map directly to records in your CRM, which is exactly what you want for reliable data syncing. If your workspace already has a price or amount related field available, add it here so submissions flow neatly into the right place in your pipeline or reporting. If you don't see a ready-made price field, use a standard number field and label it price. Add a short description like enter the amount in USD so users know what to type, and consider setting a default placeholder such as 0.00. Keeping price numeric helps prevent messy entries and makes calculations or filtering easier later. While you're arranging fields, drag in headings, dividers, or small bits of helper text to guide users. Good labeling and spacing greatly improve completion rates. As you place each field, click it to adjust settings such as required status, placeholders, and any conditional visibility you might need. Keep the flow logical. Contact info first, then details, then price, so it feels natural on desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the layout, click Save in the top right corner. Saving locks in your structure and prepares the form for use across your sites and funnels. Give the form a clear, memorable name so your team can find it quickly later, and use the preview to spot check spacing and readability on smaller screens. That's it. You've created a custom GoHighLevel form and included a price input that maps cleanly to your data. Follow these steps each time you need a consistent, trackable form for campaigns, checkouts, or quotes.